Gold has seen a sharp drop yesterday. It has breached the support levels and has come to the next support at 2024-25, which is proven out to be great support so far. Now, what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to retrace, or is it again going to drop on the downside? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And if you have not joined the channel membership, join the channel membership and enjoy the benefits. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. On the hourly, we have seen gold forming a support at 2024-25, and since then, see these candles. Multiple candles with longer tails suggest that there is stronger support and prices are willing to reach higher. But also one must look at the crossover in the moving averages, which is a bearish crossover. It is trading with divergence. Now this is the zone which is going to provide maximum resistance to gold, which was the earlier support. 2040 levels is what you should watch out for. First at 2036, then at 2040-42, we have greater resistance for gold on the upside. If you look at the formation here, yes, there was a greater resistance, and since then we have seen it sliding down, and now it is trying to form a stronger support, a stronger base here. Also, if you track the movement from here, you will find higher highs, higher lows, but still one has to be watchful of this. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD after showing a strong slide, now it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can bring the bullish momentum or can indicate the bullish momentum. RSI at bottom, coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, we can see a crossover between the moving averages. Bearish cross, it is 40-42, greater resistance. A reversal sign is seen on the 2-hour charts, and higher lows are observed. So higher lows, reversal sign, and suggests that after this drop, it is trying to retrace. One can buy here at 2032, but wait for 2036 and 2040-42 to be taken. If it trades about 2042, we can say that now gold is reversing. Stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is flat near to bottom. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, see, first of all, gold was bearish in this channel. It has given a breakout. It is now forming higher lows here, and I will wait for it to how it behaves at around 2024. If it breaks below 2024, we can look forward to 2020, 2018 as the first target. Once it trades below 2020, 2018, this time we can see, and yes, below this we can expect a stronger drop on the downside. Also on the 3-hour charts, one observation here is look at 3 to 4 candles getting the support here. Thus, we have to be very cautious at around 2024-25. Only below 2024 we can expect it to trade bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD traded with extreme divergence. See, the candle size is diminishing. Possibly it could start convergence and crossover can be expected. RSI at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see double bottom levels here, and since then prices tried to trade bullish. Yes, it has seen a little rise towards 2033 levels, and I will definitely watch out for again at these levels how it behaves. Right now it is not showing much of the bullish intent. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish. Candles have peaked. I will watch out for how this candle turns out to be. Possibly a convergence from here can lead to bullish momentum. RSI flat at bottom. Coming to the daily. Before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 28th of January. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategy in order to trade with confidence and trade with profit. Reach out to me for more details. You can write down to me on email or on Telegram. You can also visit my platform forexfunda.com and book your seats there itself. All your queries are answered there. In order to join the Signals channel, reach out to me on Telegram or email me. And yes, if you want to be part of our webinar series and if you want a consultation with me where you can discuss anything and everything and get a guidance on, you can join our webinar series which comes with 2 free consultations. Visit the platform www.forexfunda.com or reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your queries. And yes, all your queries are answered there on the platform, and you can get more information by joining our free Telegram channel as well. Coming to the daily chart. Now, first on the daily chart, see the drop here, retracement, lower highs. Now, lower highs here and lower lows here. It is still appearing to be trading in this bearish channel. Where is the bottom of this channel? For the day, it appears to be somewhere here at around 2010 if it continues to trade lower from the current level. Right now, I can see that it is taking support from the 50 period and it is forming higher lows here. We have to be watchful at around these levels. See, multiple candles got the support at around these levels, that is 20, 24, 25. Thus, we have to be very, very cautious and watchful at around 2024. And yes, moving averages have started to converge a bit. It is not yet crossed over. Stock stick is looking downwards. MACD is trading bearish here. It is looking down. RSI is also trading with slight bearish bias. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold today at 2024 levels, below which 2018, 2020 should be the first targets, and below 2018 is where the bears will be taking over for 2014 and then 2010. 2010 is what we will look forward to if it continues to trade bearish below 2024. Possibility exists that we may see it breaking below 2014 levels as well. Be watchful, take your trades accordingly. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 2032 levels, or rather 2036 levels, which is going to be a greater resistance zone. Above 2036, we can look forward to 2040, 42 as the first resistance zone, and beyond 42 is where the bulls will take over. So safer entries at 2036 only. And in between 2024 and 2036, do not take a position. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries and do watch the next update before the US session as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.